Today we unbox and review the Milwaukee 1-inch cordless impact. The part number on this kit is 2867-22. The specs on this guy, 1,800 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. It weighs almost 13 pounds. They say it's 7 pounds lighter than competing brands. And the fastening torque is 1,500 foot-pounds. It comes with the tool, obviously, two 8 amp hour batteries, a multi-volt charger, and a contractor bag. Unzipping the bag is apparently the hardest part. Oh my God. Come on, bag. I know, it's really looking smooth on the video, isn't it? Wow, Lindsay, he really knows what he's talking about. He's so smooth with this stuff. I know. In the bag is the owner's manual. This is the manual just for the charger. And then there's one stuck behind it for the tool. Here is your side handle. The multi-volt charger. So it's multi-volt because it has the contacts for the 18 volt and also a drop-in area for your 12 volt batteries. Two 8 amp hour batteries. Has a promotional sheet that has all of their cordless tools on it. One side lists their 18 volt family and the other lists their 12 volt family. This is pretty cool when you're making up your wish list and you want to do a little bit of daydreaming. You can look at the dozens and dozens of 18 volt and flip it over. And you have to line up a 12 volt. The one thing I really like about Milwaukee, I mean, among other things, is the breadth of offerings they have. Nobody else is like them. They've got stuff that no other tool company is cranking out, and all their stuff seems to be coming out good quality. And there's the tool. This is the one that comes with the friction ring or hog ring on the anvil to retain your sockets with. It also has a hole for pin retainers. The battery slides on like every other M18 tool. This has the fuel display here so you can see how much charge is in your battery. This is right out of the box, so it needs to be charged. And around the back here, it's kind of difficult to see on the video. Here's where you have your power settings and your one-key Bluetooth setting. This button here you push to cycle through the power and the Bluetooth. And you can hear the difference on setting 1. This guy is going to have noticeably lower power. On setting 2, it's going to be like this. On the third setting, and full power on the fourth setting. It has a light down here on the handle, a ring if you need to support it with a strap, and the D-ring side handle goes around the nose cone here. So you get extra holding power and extra stability when you're torquing stuff down. One important thing to note about this is the warranty. Most Milwaukee power tools have a 5-year warranty on them. This one comes with a 3-year warranty. And the large capacity 8 amp hour batteries also have 3-year warranties, which is the same as all their other large capacity batteries. But just know that this has a 3-year warranty for the tool as opposed to the 5 for most of their other ones. Off the top of my head, the only other ones I know of that have 3-year warranties are the 1/2 inch with the extended anvil. And there's a few others in there. I just don't know what they are off the top of my head. Now, when it comes to using the batteries on this thing, just know that the larger the capacity battery you have, the better off you're going to be. Not because it's going to put out more power, but because the tool will step down its power output if you have too small a battery on there so you don't kill the battery. So this comes with 8 amp hour batteries. Use them. If you want to upgrade your battery, go for the 9 or the 12 amp hour battery. I would stay away from the 5 amp hour batteries or anything smaller than that to be sure you get the best peak performance out of this that you can. Is this impact right for you? Probably not. There's only a few guys that are going to get good use out of this. Number one, industrial applications. If you're building bridges or buildings and you need something like this to torque down bolts on girders, this is certainly something for you to consider. But for automotive applications, I don't think there's anything on a car that's going to require this. Certainly, you're not going to use this under the dash. You're not going to use it for anything on a car. The only guys I know who are going to use this are diesel guys who are working on wheels, who are going to be fighting to take off something that someone slammed on with a 1-inch air impact. Do not over-tighten your lugs. Don't count your torque and ugga-duggas like guys do. Understand what your torque spec is, and please torque things down to spec appropriately. This bad boy is expensive, so it's not going to be appropriate for somebody just getting into the field at all. If you're a new tire or wheel tech, find yourself a good air impact, even if you have to buy it used. If the shop provides you one, so much the better. But I also know there are some shops that do not want their guys using anything larger than 3/4 impact on their wheels. So be careful and make sure you understand what your employer requires of you before you go making a purchasing decision, especially if you're going to be looking at something expensive like this 1-inch impact. And by all means, stay off those tool trucks until it makes sense for you to get on there and you can realize value in what the tool truck offers. Now, in the future, we've got all kinds of interesting videos coming up, including an unboxing and review on the GearWrench 1/2 inch digital torque wrench with angle, as well as our popular quarterly flyer drop videos, and as always, our regular Tools in the Hall segments. So do me a favor, click down here now to subscribe so that you don't miss any of it. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, use a tool, don't be one.